Hi, Malay here. Today we will learn how we can connect our branded domain with our sub account. If there is a three business in one of my agency, then we can brand it all three accounts as per their business. If I have given my three sub account in three of my friend, they have another businesses. They want to create their brand into sub account. How this would be possible here through my demonstration. I will demonstrate all the details. In my agency profile, there is one tab under setting, that is company. When we will go to company, then we will find that there is a domain, that is API domain, white level domain, API domain. If I want to create my branded domain in my sub account, then how we can do that? Through this my demonstrations, I will show you in here. Suppose this is my Meta workspace, this is my sub account. Then I have to go to the business profile. This is business profile, where I will get the branded domain portion. If I want to add my branded domain, if you want to connect your domain, that is branded domain, then you have to put your subdomain, that is I placed. If I go to add my branded domain manually, how it would be? Suppose I have a subdomain. I cannot use my domain full domain here. I have to use the subdomain. If my subdomain is gift1.com, then add domain, and if I go for the manual section, then I have to go to manual, and there is CNAME, host and value portions. If I manually connect with my domain, then I have to go to the domain account, and where I will find the add new records. When I will have it, then I have to choose the CNAME, and there is three portions. What I have got from that, I have to put or paste here. I just copied it, the host, and I put the name, and value I copied from here and paste it, and then save. When it would be saved successfully, then I have to go to my domain section and verify records, and it would take 30 seconds for updating, and it is updated. If I want to do it automatically through authorizations, then I can do as per my need. Suppose I want to add my subdomain like gift.com, then I will continue, and automatically setting configured, and the domain provider authorization I have to add it here, the authorized domain, and the authorization connect and close, and it will take 30 seconds time to setting all this configuration. After configurations, my subdomain, that is branded domain, will be added in my sub account. Then I can manage payment calendar according to my domain or branded domain. This is a wonderful features. Everyone can brand it in this GoHighlevel. Thank you.